This is the Maytag Bravos Quiet Series 300. The rollers and the belt were purchased through a local appliance store. The tri-rings and metal clips were included. However, this model only uses the tri-rings. The first thing you're going to do is take the belt off of the idler pulley. The pulley will be accessed through the back side of the dryer by removing a panel. This panel is secured into place with 9 screws in these locations. Remove these screws using a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket. Once the screws are out, remove the panel and set aside. Now, locate the idler pulley in the lower left-hand corner. Start by removing the belt. With one hand, release the tension by pushing the spring-loaded bracket in this manner. Once there's enough slack in the belt, remove it from the pulleys. Next, take a putty knife and disengage the latch clips under the top in this manner. Here's a close-up of how it releases. Now, find the front panel screws located on the top inside corners. You will also find a wire harness plug. The plug can be very tricky to disconnect. I use 2 small screwdrivers to release the catches, one on each side, and then I simply pull apart. Next, remove the 2 front panel screws using a 5/16 nut driver. The front panel can now be lifted off in this manner. Next, locate the 6 screws that hold the front bulkhead in place. The bottom 4 will need to be completely removed, and the top 2 will only need to be loosened because they are in keyhole hangers. You will also find a wire harness that needs to be unplugged. Use a 5/16 nut driver to take out the 6 screws. Once the bottom screws are removed and the top 2 screws are loose, the bulkhead can then be lifted out. Note that 2 of the drum rollers are on the back of this bulkhead, and 2 are located in the back of the machine. The drum will have to be removed in order to access these. Next, locate the drive belt and slip it off of the drum. Then lift the drum out as well as the belt and set aside. Begin removing the old rollers. Here's a close-up showing the removal of the tri-ring, the roller, and the lower tri-ring. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the ring from its grooved seat on the axle. Once free, simply lift it off. Clean the axle well using a dry cloth. Then, install the new parts. Begin with the lower tri-ring. Use the screwdriver to work it past the upper tri-ring groove. Then, slide the new roller onto the axle, and finish by seating the top tri-ring into its groove. Repeat this process on the other 3 rollers. Next, take the drum and set it in the dryer, making sure the belt side is towards the back. Take the new belt and install it around the drum in the reverse order that it came off. Make sure to face the lined side against the drum and the smooth side out. Then install the drum on the rollers. The roller track will sit directly on top of the rollers and the drum will be fitted over the rear bulkhead. While holding the drum in place, reinstall the front bulkhead, making sure the drum sits on the rollers in their track. Install the bulkhead onto the top keyhole hangers. The drum will encase the bulkhead rim. Next, install the 4 lower screws, and then tighten the keyhole screws. Now return the lower plug and reinstall the front. Notice how the square slots in the bottom is made to receive the angled catches on each side. Install the bottom first, and then push the top into position and secure using the 2 screws. Then reconnect the top electrical plug. The top of the machine can now be lowered and snapped into its retaining clips. Next, turn the machine around and access the idler pulley. Now install the belt in this manner. Loop the belt over the top of the idler pulley with the smooth side down. Then lift the spring-loaded bracket towards the drive pulley on the motor. Loop the belt onto the drive pulley and release the idler pulley. The spring will now keep constant tension on the belt. The install is now complete, and the panel can be returned to the back side of the dryer. Secure using the 9 factory screws, tightening with a 1/4-inch nut driver. The clothes dryer is now ready to use.